Are you prepared for whatever life throws at you? Will you have what you need? Whether it's an unexpected emergency or just everyday challenges, having the right gear can make all the difference. In today's video, we're diving into the essential items you'll need most for your everyday carry, or EDC. Stay tuned to find out what critical gear you should never leave home without. Welcome back to Survival Scope, friends, your go-to channel for all things survival and preparedness. Today we're talking about EDC, or everyday carry. These are the items you should have with you at all times to be prepared for any situation. From tools to personal protection, we'll cover everything you need to build your own EDC kit. Let's start with the basics. Here are the top EDC essentials you should consider carrying. A good multi-tool is like having a toolbox in your pocket. It can help you with a variety of tasks, from fixing a loose screw to opening a bottle. A compact flashlight is crucial. You never know when you'll need a reliable light source, whether it's a power outage or finding something in the dark. Now let's talk about pocket knives. A quality pocket knife is versatile for everyday tasks, like opening packages, cutting rope, or even self-defense. Next, your wallet. It should securely hold your money, cards, and ID. Consider one with RFID protection to guard against digital theft. Keep your keys organized and easily accessible. A key organizer can help prevent them from jangling around in your pocket and becoming lost. Your phone is your lifeline for communication, navigation, and information. Make sure it's charged and in good working condition. Having a pen and notepad allows you to quickly jot down notes, ideas, or important information. A durable watch helps you keep track of time and, depending on the model, may offer additional features like a compass or altimeter. Consider carrying a personal protection item like pepper spray or a personal alarm or other form of protection. Safety is always a priority. Everyone's EDC will be different based on personal needs and lifestyle. Here's how you can customize your EDC to ensure you'll be prepared. Think about the places you go and the tasks you perform daily. Decide which items are most essential and build your EDC around them. Whether it's a pocket organizer, a small pouch, or even a backpack, choose a method that fits your style and needs. Having a well-thought-out EDC kit can make your everyday life more convenient and keep you prepared for unexpected situations. What items do you carry with you every day? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Survival Scope for more survival and preparedness tips. Until next time, stay prepared and stay safe.